The Wi-Fi address field has no address code. The Wi-Fi feature cannot be activated. At this point, the diagnosis indicates that the Wi-Fi IC is damaged. Prepare for high temperature protection. Remove the damaged Wi-Fi IC. Now, let's introduce our new product, the groundbreaking Wi-Fi IC from JCID. Place it in the Wi-Fi activation module in the correct orientation and connect it to the phone from which the Wi-Fi IC was removed. Activate the Wi-Fi Fix feature of VIS PRO. Successfully activated. The Wi-Fi address field has been restored with address code. The Wi-Fi functionality of the phone has been restored to its original state.